everybody, welcome to another episode of Vegan Vibes. It's your girl E, and we're back again with more with E Mondays. I'm out here in this beautiful sun, ready to show you what it takes to get fit, toned, and some of that agility work today. So check me out today while I show you a couple of routines on what I do on a beautiful day like this. I started out with jump squats, 3 sets of 15. And for more of a challenge, I used the resistance band. Now the goal is to jump as high as you can by using your legs to feel your quads and glutes burning. Next, I did front lunges, alternating each leg. Now I did add on a side kick for more of a challenge, but that is absolutely optional. Now do keep in mind to keep your core tight as you're completing these workouts. Then I did one of my favorite workouts, which is the walking squats. Now I did 4 sets each for 30 seconds. And I recommend to add some weight to really feel your legs burning on this one. I used a 10-pound dumbbell. Again, that is optional. Now using an agility ladder, I completed some ins and outs by doing 4 rounds back and forth. But if you're just starting off, you can just do 2 rounds. Now make sure to keep your core tight for balance and to stay on your toes. Lastly, I completed the duck walk, 4 rounds back and forth. And like I said before, if you're just starting off, just do 2 rounds. In this exercise, please make sure your back is straight, don't bounce, and walk straight as possible to avoid swaying. Thanks for watching my workout video. Please like, share, comment if you have anything else you want me to upload, what you like, what you didn't like. Don't forget to turn on those notifications, and please subscribe down below, please. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram for Real Vegan Vibes on Instagram and Vegan Vibes on Facebook. It's your girl E. More with E Mondays next week. Tune in. It's your girl. I'm out.